Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Multiverse AI review. So what actually is Multiverse AI? Guys, Multiverse AI is the world's most powerful breakthrough never seen before AI app that lets you access all the world's leading and most advanced freemium AIs with multiversions access current plus upcoming from a single dashboard and replaces all expensive AI model versions. So guys, I'm going to show you a step by step all the information. I'm going to show you also quick demo how actually works this software. I'm going to show you pricing and OTOs that no one can share with you, and also I'm going to show you guys the money back guarantee and does worth this software. I'm going to show you everything guys, so please stay tuned. And who is the creator of this software, Multiverse AI? Creator of the software Multiverse AI, Uddha Pramanik. Okay guys, Uddha Pramanik is the creator of this software. You know this person, I think. Here is the Uddha Pramanik. You can see, I'm going to show you. This is Uddha Pramanik. You can see guys, this is Uddha Pramanik. Okay, this is Uddha Pramanik, and his company name is Insurge App. He has been launched lots of software successfully on the marketplace, and this is the another one. And this software goes live on, keep in mind and mark your calendar, 22nd of August, 11 a.m. EST. 11 a.m. EST. Okay, and right now guys, I'm going to show you a quick demo, then I'm going to show you all other information and also pricing and reviews. So let's see the demo first. Okay, my friend, I hope you are fully understand about this software Multiverse AI. This is absolutely worthy and you can easily use and you can save your time and money. Okay, guys, and with just one single super dashboard, you can use all the viral top rated apps, okay guys, that you want. Okay, here is all the features you can see, guys, all the features. Okay, and right now guys, I'm going to show you pricing and OTS of the software Multiverse AI, and then I'm going to show you all other information. You can see the pricing. The front end offer only $14.95, but also this software has OTOs. OTO number 1 is $39, OTO number 2 is $49, OTO number 3 is $39, and OTO number 4 final OTOs of this software. OTO guys, OTO that means one time offer, you can pay once and use forever. And final OTOs only $197. This is the done for you section, and everything you will be able to access if you purchase OTO number 4. And here is, you can see guys, the ChatGPT family, Google Gemini suite, Grok AI model, Claude, and everything, King video models, Google Video AI, DeepSeek, Meta Llama, and 11 Labs, Stable Diffusion, and every great AI software you will be able to access in a single dashboard that calls is Multiverse AI. Okay, here's a lots of information, guys. The official website link in my video description below. Just consider the link and click the link and check out all the information and all the features. Here is all the features. Okay, guys. Okay, here is a lots of information. I'm just quickly scrolling. And do you have any questions, guys? Do you have any kind of question? Here is all the answers, your questions. Okay, here is your question and answer. And guys, my recommendation, you can try it out. You must try it out. I know the person, I know the vendor who is the behind Uddhav Pramanik. So he's a legit guy. I know over 5 years of this guy. He actually launched lots of software successfully. And this is the another one, and this will be benefited for you. And if you are really waste lots of money, but you must try this software, guys, Multiverse AI. This is really change your life, also change your and save you time and money. I hope guys I have given you enough information. I hope you guys have subscribed my channel. Please guys subscribe my channel. Stay safe and thank you. See you soon our next video.